On your computer, go to the Google Chrome. Enter Samsung CLP-365 printer driver in the search box and click on the search icon. From the search results, click on the official HP support website for that printer model. On the product page, click on Drivers and Downloads or a similar option. Choose the printer driver or full driver and software package option. Click on Download and agree to the end-user license agreement if prompted. Once the download is complete, open the installer, usually a .exe file, from your browser's download location or from the folder where you saved it. Follow the on-screen instructions to install the driver. This typically involves agreeing to terms, selecting installation preferences, and possibly a prompt to connect your printer to the computer if it's not already connected. If the installer asks for the connection method, choose USB since you are setting up the printer with a USB connection. If you haven't done so already, connect your Samsung CLP-365 printer to your computer using a USB cable. Follow any additional on-screen instructions to complete the installation process. Once the installation is complete, you may need to restart your computer.